outside, it is obviously a crisp night, but Santa likes it that way. You know, winter weather. We're finishing out fall with some cold temperatures out there. Presently, just a few clouds out and about. The wind chill at 16, and the wind not doing too bad out of the north at about 6 miles an hour. Across the region, not much to be concerned about right now. Webster City, 15. Obviously, it's a bit colder to the north. Wind chills up there in the single digits, and that's how it's going to be. Infrared satellite picture, we got just a few high clouds rotating on through. Not going to cause too much problems. I think you may see a flurry tomorrow morning, especially up to the north. Satellite and radar, this is the system sliding by to the southwest. You see that over in Kansas. Not causing too many problems there, just a slight chance of precipitation. As we move through time, high pressure and control tonight, again setting us up for another cold night. Now look out to the west, that warm front out there. There's warmer air out there, and guess what? It's going to slide in here tomorrow, and Thursday we'll actually see a bit of a December thaw. So futurecast right now, there's the sunshine. Thursday, that system will give us a glancing blow to northeastern Iowa, may kick up a cloud or a sprinkle there. Then as we head into Friday, quiet weather, and in between that system, latest computer models are dragging this system on Saturday a little farther to the south, but it still will bring with it a chance of some light snow. And then on the backside of this system, a whole lot of wind and cold. Temperatures tomorrow climbing up into the teens north, but looking out west and southwest, highs in the 30s, so enjoy. We'll look at our forecast for tonight. A low here in the metro at about 10 degrees, some clouds out and about. Tomorrow, it's going to warm up. Temperatures in the 30s, a little bit of a thaw with a high at 33 degrees. Here's your 5-day forecast. We'll see highs in the 40s on Thursday. Friday, 38 degrees. Saturday, that chance of snow and a whole lot of wind and cold as we head into Sunday. Steve and Cynthia, anything look out of place here? Look at the fine fellows I got surrounding me. They're ready to take your toys, folks. Here at 888 9th Street, you get a free piece of pizza. The Marines will run on out and you'll get to say hi to Santa Claus.
Okay.
You know, Curtis, you had Santa laughing with his ho, 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 but these guys aren't cracking a smile.
No, they're not.
You know what? I think I blend in here pretty good.
You do. You do. It's serious business.
And they're ready to help, and what a great thing we're doing tonight, and we look forward to seeing you all down here at KCCI.
We're just helping them. This is the Marine Corps' deal. You know, you can also make a donation